Good morning everyone. You join us on, well, a sad day. This time, for real, it's Big Blue's moving day. And as you can hear, the tractor is currently idling. Dad's up in the cab at the moment.
It started pretty good. You ready?
Yeah. That sounds pretty bloody good. So as you just heard, Big Blue's fixed. It's ready to go now. Yogi's due about 10:30. It's roughly around 8:30, 9 o'clock now. So we've got a couple of hours left with the tractor. Yeah. So, Dad here was, for 13 years, the proud owner of Big Blue, our 2003 TJ375. Well, Dad's a bit camera shy. He doesn't exactly know what to say, but, well, would you like to give us a bit of context of what the circumstances were when you first bought the tractor and compared to now, Dad?
Well, we had a lot bigger acreage, and the four-wheel drive tractor we had at the time was getting old and had a few issues. So got this one. Was showing a different one down the road, and I thought, oh yeah, that's a good model. Yeah, it's been a good tractor, apart from a few issues. Like, we've had to replace the hydraulic pump on this, and then the hydraulic back end had a crack in it, and that's what was causing the hydraulic issues in the first place. So it was probably like it from new, but we never knew. Had that fixed. As you know from Noah's videos, we just had to put a new starter motor in. It's the best it's ever started since I even had the thing, so it was probably a dodgy starter motor all this time as well. Blaming it on the batteries. Put oversized alternator on for a while because thinking the starting issues was the batteries not getting enough charge. Apart from that, been a good tractor. Would have been nice if we had the 710s on it, but it is what it is. Yeah, it's a sad day. We got to let it go. Just the way the economic climate is, and downsizing to a small farm with a parkland cleared, and it's just too big. So we had to let it go.
Thank you, Dad, for giving us some kind words about Big Blue here. For those who don't know, the TJ375 has always been called Big Blue on our farm, and there's a very good reason for that. Well, obviously, the TJ is a very big tractor. Big Blue's not the biggest in his class, or model series for that matter. The 375 is actually the mid-range size. But, well, for those who have seen our other tractor on the farm, Little Red, our JX70 forklift tractor, well, Little Red actually came first in the grand scheme of things in terms of tractors on the farm. And when we first got Little Red, I was the whopping age of about 2-3 years old, and my passion at the time was a certain TV show called Little Red Tractor. And so naturally, at the time, Little Red was called that because it was the only case tractor on the farm. And, well, for those who know about that TV show, Big Blue in the TV show compared to Big Blue the TJ375 are two completely different tractors, but it was just natural calling the tractor jumbo Big Blue. Well, it is a very sad day to see it go, but it has been a good tractor, and we will be missing Big Blue dearly, for both the good times and the bad. And yeah, we wait for Yogi to turn up with the truck for round 2. Dad's pulling Little Red tractor out of the shed because between videos, the last one you would have seen from us released last week, hopefully. Last week's video, which was actually recorded a couple of weeks ago from now, we put that loading ramp support beam up. We've had new minerals delivered, but we had a bit of an incident where the pallet basically collapsed. So half the bags of minerals are in the shed, and the other stack of mineral bags are over here.
Bonnet was popped and no one disconnected it.
Once again, the Nissan proves us wrong. You good right there?
Stupid thing. Pull this off.
So the battery doesn't go flat. Right, well, round 2, here comes Yogi. I would have loved to have my drone go up into the air, but technical difficulties. My phone crashes out of the app to the screen, so the drone won't go up in the air. I'll just have to do it the old-fashioned way. tractor. Moment of truth.
Over that container pin. Yeah. So not there and not there because there's no weight in the trailer.
Oh, righto.
So if the wheels are sort of there, if you can guide me into the middle of the wheel there, that'd be ideal. The rest I can do. Sometime later when we're driving out.
Yeah. Not from the air, I'm just gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Bindi. No, whenever she gets in that cab, it's trouble. That's it.
I enjoy carting tractors.
I haven't told him, but I've left the brand new batteries in.
Oh yeah, right. Okay. Yeah, right. Is there no oscillator on it?
No oscillator.
We did think of putting one on, but we never got round to it.
One on because I thought, oh yeah, it's the batteries. All these times, oh, it's the bloody batteries.
Yeah.
Bloody batteries.
Yeah. Yeah, we can start them, mate.
Yeah.
What you doing down, dog, baby? What you doing?
Yeah, I had to take a gamble on which starter made it again.
I saw the stand, but maybe not tractors.
Anyway. So then,
Oh yeah.
because they don't even have a seek and sweeper bin.
Oh.
It rusted out and then they haven't been able to afford to buy another one. So, yeah.
Now's the part of the video where I almost get emotional. Tear-jerking moment.
Here they go.
Yep.
Ramps up, finish the job.
That's an end of an era.
Now tackle the traffic. Too bad. Not too bad.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of filming to do here tomorrow. For a new show they call Rookie Truckers.
Rookie truckers.
Yeah, rookie. Yeah, so we're
But you're not a rookie.
No, I'm going to teach a rookie.
Oh?
Ah, so it's like a mentor-student kind of deal.
Yeah, sort of deal, eh? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that sounds cool.
So, yeah. So tomorrow, so we're just going into Perth today and then, yeah, tomorrow, a little bit of that.
So Big Blue's going to be on a temporary holiday in Perth for a while.
See it on TV. I don't know whether they'll film it or what, you know. Yeah, yeah. Don't know.
Righto, well,
All good.
all good. Thank you, Yogi.
Thank you, gentlemen. Pleasure doing business with you.
Yep.
Well, it's more.
Oh, yeah. yeah. I know, I'll snake out. I'll start snaking out. That's what Andrew did.
I would have prepared it.
Oh,
Started.
be a month ago. Yeah. Hey, everything's such a closer.
At least I've got confidence that
Start on the truck.
and
it'll go straight off.
He'll
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
she started to see.
We're off.
Oh, that has been a bit of a worry for a while.
Yeah, guaranteed now.
Yeah.
Right,
It's
all good.
never spun that fast.
Yeah,
Never,
yeah,
since I've had it.
Yeah, it sounds really good. Righto, that front gate there, will that go any further or come one way?
Oh, you're supposed to come the other way. The wind blew it. Yeah.
Oh, right, I was going to say, it might be a little bit tight coming out if you jump on your
Yeah,
bike.
Cheers, Yogi. Safe travels. Yeah. See you later, Big Blue. And with that, it's an end of an era. And on that bombshell, we're gonna leave it here. Big Blue's gone.